on YouTube? Dos RC coming at you with the different kind of video today. We are on the trail with the Sen F450 dually. This thing has been upgraded to the tits. Most of the upgrades are from H-Tech. We got their lift kit, we got the 2.6 dually wheels, and a bunch of other little odds and ends like the rear tailgate plate and the door handles as well. So we're just out here on this beautiful day, taking this humongous trail truck out for a spin. I'm running a Mamba Micro X2 with I believe it's the 1900 kV motor. Right now it's running on 3S. I believe this system can run on 4S. Anyhow, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm actually on break right now from work. Figured I'd come out here, take a stroll through the woods. There's still a little bit of snow on the ground. It's melting. So there's some slippery parts here and there. So I do need to be careful. We also have the H-Tech roof rack and the H-Tech bed rack. I'm gonna bring it up here. Maybe I can show you guys. Get up close. There we go. There's the bed rack in the back and the roof rack. We got a little scale fire extinguisher, a jerry can, some shovels, pickaxe, a what do you call these? Lifted jacks for lifted trucks, and then we have a hose in here. It just dangles in there. The bed rack does come with lights. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but this thing looks really dope. I actually got this RC in a trade, and then I decided to put all the upgrades on it. I'm gonna try to get a close-up shot here in this part. So just bear with me. I got my other cam here. I got the Action 5 on the stick, and I have the Action 6 on my head. Let's see if I can get some nice shots. trying not to fall and record at the same time is a challenge. Well, we're just gonna walk for a little while longer and then turn around. So I actually built a trailer for this specific RC, so I can tow my other scale RCs with it. I'm gonna turn around over here. It actually came out really well, like really dope. We got a cheap Amazon servo in here. It's BETU. I don't know how do you pronounce that. Betu. And it does the job. Come on. My hands are starting to get cold now. I brought gloves. I just didn't bring them on the trail with me. I left them in the truck. I didn't think I'd need them. When we get back into the sunlight, we'll do a few more close-up shots, and then we'll finish up the video. Alright, let me set the camera up. uses standard clips for the body. Alright, there we go. Pretty sure you can hear me a lot better now. So we're just running a cheap Yumi Power Lipo 3S. So there's the Mamba Micro X2. We got the motor hiding in there. She's a little dirty. And then I installed a fan over the summer because when I was towing, the motor was overheating, and once I put that fan on, it stopped that. So this is just a bracket to hold the fan. It's being held in with one screw right there, and the bracket is on this frame of the body. There's the Amazon Servo 50 kg. We got these light pods on the front bumper, and then we also have these lights in the rear bumper, and then that's the H-Tech lift kit right there. I have a Traxxas receiver box to keep the receiver nice and waterproof. And then there's a Castle BEC in there. This is the V1. I believe the V2 is waterproof. That's not waterproof. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. On the underside of the body, it's really nothing. It's just wires. And that's it. So let me take some of this snow off and get this RC put away. So thanks for tuning in, guys. That's gonna do it for the video. Once again, Dos RC coming at you with the trail vid today. Something different than what I've been posting the last couple days. Figured I'd share this rig with you guys. I love this thing. It's amazing, and I absolutely love the products that H-Tech makes. So have a great rest of your day, guys. Dos RC out.